Dirt Fisherman here, y'all. It's another little video of me and my son. We don't want to say hey before we open the cars up, y'all. Alright, let's turn this thing around and open up some cars.
Hello, car. I'm just going to open it up right now.
Alright, wait a second. Let me tell them what it was. This is the Camaro series, y'all. This is 1 out of 10. 67 Camaro.
What?
Alright, y'all, up next is 2 out of 10, which is a 69 Camaro convertible.
I dumped it out of my hand.
Yeah, I see that.
There's a new fire in here. There's a new fire.
Yeah. Okay, it's okay, baby.
With the bomb.
Alright, y'all, this here's 3 out of 10, which is a 70 Camaro.
It didn't wax it up.
No.
I like that Jeep. I like that Jeep a lot.
Yeah. Okay, y'all, up next is 4 out of 10. It's the 81 Camaro, the year I was born. Kind of hard, maybe. Yeah, give me to help you now. Sorry.
I got out from there.
Yes, you did.
Can you see that?
Mm-hmm. All right, y'all.
Oh, that's gold.
Up next is the 85 Chevy Camaro.
Gold.
Tune port injection. You're not digging your hands back. Right there, baby.
I can get out.
No, but you gotta get a hold a little bigger than that. You're not dropping it. You got there.
See, it looked even bigger for when I did that.
Yep. All right, y'all. Up next is going to be the 95 Camaro convertible.
That's a burger.
Yeah. Up next, y'all, is going to be the Custom 11 Camaro.
It's a subway too.
Mm-hmm.
This thing is like the garage with a heart and the garage door.
All right, y'all. Up next is going to be the 12 Camaro ZL1 concept.
Chevrolet. This
Yep.
is also Chevrolet.
All these are Chevrolets, baby.
One.
These are the Camaros.
Camaros.
Yep.
There are Camaros. Is it Jeep a Camaro?
No, baby.
Got it out from there.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right. Up next, y'all, is the 16 Camaro SS. Put your finger right there, baby. There we go. Oh, rip it out. Come on, baby. Everybody look at it, baby. Come on, hurry. People waiting to see it. There you go. There you go. Alright, y'all. The last one is the 18 Camaro SS. Look, it's in matte orange looking color.
It is matte orange.
I gotta help you, baby. It's hard like that. Try. Put your finger right there. There you go. Come on, rip your finger back. There we go. Alright, then move. You get it? You sure did, didn't you? Check it out and they're out, y'all. This was a tribute to the Camaros, y'all, in this video right here. Alright, y'all, that's going to be it for our video of the Camaros.
Is that a Camaro?
Alright, let's turn this thing around. Say our goodbyes. I'm going to say goodbye, y'all.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Peace out.
Alright.